Brussels Airport used to have a tunnel. You may have thought it was long, you may have thought it was dark, and you were right. That's why we built Connector above ground. For your comfort, a lot has changed. And we're not only talking about the building being flooded with natural daylight. First of all, you'll pass through the biggest screening platform in Europe. Once you've passed screening, it's time to relax and enjoy a dazzling tarmac view. There's plenty to do as well, including great shopping and sensational dining with a Belgian touch. No more need to go 3 flights up and down, not to mention improved connection times. You'll walk stress-free from gates A to gates B and the other way around. We've also thought of comfortable seating for you to wait, relax, or simply dream away in. Connector was designed to offer you an extraordinary start of your trip and a warm welcome home. We hope you like it. Connector, new at Brussels Airport.